Yeah, I'm recording these ones. Things like that.
Ready?
Oh, you dick.
What? That's good. Hey.
Oski. Oskar.
Good kiss. What? That's what I'm... No. That's better, that one. Hey. You're proud of yourself?
Should do that, Carl.
You did well, didn't you?
I wish I'd have recorded the Catherine wheel.
Give me 20 seconds. Look at his little face.
What, Dean's?
Yeah.
I love fireworks.
What about Oskars?
It's not firework, Dean. It's a bloody sparkle.
No, I mean I love fireworks in general.
But you won't know he's pretty soon, did you?
I'm there, for God.
Oskar! Soon you'll be able to hold them. And you, Oskar.
Dean, you're supposed to be having a baby in a minute.
I want one more.
No, there's loads there. You're not a child. You're not going to run out.
Oh, are they? You have to save some for
What did I just say?
You have to save some for the Christmas pudding on Christmas Day.
Yeah, Christmas pudding day.